Hi everyone! Today I'm here with a Toreba unboxing video. Toreba is a crane game that you can play online on either the computer or in an app, and today I'm just going to show you a little bit of some of the qualities and items that you could be getting. This can get very pricey very fast, so play with caution and hopefully you'll enjoy this video. This one is a Pichu. He's got his little mogu fruit. I'm actually going to leave these in the packaging a bit for the most part because a lot of these are gifts for people. This is a Rapunzel cushion. It's really cute. It's got all this nice frilly lace on it, pink bow. It's got beautiful gold flower detailing on it, and it's got Rapunzel right there with all the lanterns. Nothing on the back. It's got a Disney tag. It's very nice and cushiony. I've got a Detective Pikachu eco bag. It's in this little pouch. I'll open this one up. So this one has the Detective Pikachu tag. And I'm not fully going to open this up because this might be a gift as well, but just to show you a little bit of the print inside. I'm not sure if you can even really see it very well, but it's got some Pikachu and it looks like maybe some Mewtwo prints on there inside of the bag. That's pretty cool. I've actually got 3 of these because I was going to gift them to some of my daughter's cousins. I've got their little vanity pouches. So this one has got Ariel, and it's got some rose zipper detailing, this very pretty pink and gold design. Also have Belle. She's reading a book, and hers is yellow and rose detailing with the gold. And then I've also got Rapunzel. I don't know if I can kind of move this tag out of the way from her face. There we go, just a little bit. She's got purple with purple roses. And of course the same rose, gold colored zippers, and velvet bow. I've got a very big Pooh Sakura sitting cushion. I'm also not going to open this. This is actually for us, but it's so nice and thin in the packaging that it's a lot easier to store this way until we're ready for it. It's got the Winnie the Pooh tag, and it's got these little tassel designs. It's quite big. A lot of the cushions that I seem to see, as far as the ones that I personally want, they generally tend to be a little bit smaller, where maybe they might be about like this big and maybe about this high, in comparison to this cushion where it's a little bit more meant for just children. This you could definitely comfortably have an adult or child sit on this one. So this is really nice and very pretty. Once this is not vacuum sealed, this cushion maybe tends to come up to maybe about like this thick or so. So it's not too bad. It's still a bit on the thinner side, but it does plump up a little bit. I've also got a Disney Mickey drawer that I had won. This one we ended up going for it because it was quite easy to win. Let's see if I can take this sticker off. You can see his face. This one is actually going to go to my daughter, so this one's okay for me to open up. So it's just a little plastic drawer, and it's got his face, his little hands as the nubs. So this actually has a little bit of depth in it for you to be able to pull out. It's a tiny drawer, but you can fit a decent amount of things. So we generally like to keep her little hair accessories or little jewelry things, and these have these little areas where you can stack all of them and they can fit nicely together on top. That's really cute. I've got a cute little Disney Daisy plush, and she's got a little gold chain. I believe I actually was fortunate enough to win this one for free. Let me take this tag off so you can see her face a little bit better. They have a daily sign in where you can get a free place, so I was fortunate enough to pick this one up for free. So she's really cute, and she's got these little blushing details. I absolutely love that. I actually wasn't sure what this would be exactly. I did also win this for free, which I absolutely love anything Winnie the Pooh, so that was definitely okay for me. It actually turned out to be a you can hang this on your wall, and then you can place items in the pockets and things. And she's got best friends and honey dreaming, and in the middle it says the same thing, best friends, honey dreaming, being and buzzing. So this is really cute too. There's not much on the back side, and you have the Winnie the Pooh tag in there as well. So everything is definitely licensed items, and they're all of very nice quality. This is a Winnie the Pooh storage box, so you can see that it's got your directions on how to assemble this, and by the end of it, it should look like this, where it's got Pooh's little house. Tigger on the side. It looks over here like we've got Rabbit and probably Kanga or something. Let's see if we can open this up and assemble this together. This definitely was not one of my cheaper wins, but I definitely thought that this would be really cute and adorable for my daughter to have to store some of her toys, so we kind of just went for this. But let's see how this goes. Oh, so it's quite simple, and that's actually pretty self-explanatory and put together on its own. You basically lay this insert down. It's quite roomy. I can fit my whole arm into this to the bottom. And it's got a couple of holes on the side where you can kind of pick it up if you need to, and then just close the top over and seal the Velcro together. This is quite a large box, so it'll be a little bit difficult for me to show the whole thing in frame. But this is one side. You've got Pooh Bear with little bees on the top, and his Mr. Sanders door and the honey pot. On this side, we've got Piglet and Eeyore having a cute little picnic, looking like some more bees on the top. This side has Rabbit with his carrots, and Kanga and Roo. And this side has Tigger hanging from a tree. So I really love this. This is very, very cute. And Winnie the Pooh on the top on one side. Oh, and we also have Owl on this side with the bee, so that's really cool. So this is quite a good size, actually. Very nice. I'm very happy with this one. I believe that's actually all that I have for this time. Hopefully this was helpful for you to at least see a little bit of the prizes. I know there's a lot of them that I didn't really open up. I didn't do it because this time around a lot of them happen to be gifts for people, but let me know if you enjoyed this kind of a video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.